Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Toby's camping light. This Toby's camping light comes in a bag. The front side of this bag has a transparent window. This bag has two zip-closed compartments, one for the LED light and one for the tripod. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. This bag is suitable for carrying the camping light from Toby's and its tripod when camping. This product manual provides instructions to end users on how to properly and effectively operate this camping light. And it is in English. It also includes the product features and specifications and a warranty card. This camping light also comes with 3 screw clips that you will need to use to attach the holder to the camping light and then to the tripod together. In this video, I will show you how to do that. I will show you, step by step, how to install and use this camping light. These 3 screw clips are made of metal and plastic. This camping light also comes with a holder. The holder is made of metal and has 3 holes so that you can attach it to the camping light and the tripod. This camping light is white light with high brightness and huge area coverage. This camping light is a multifunctional light. You can use this LED light, for example, for camping, picnic, wild barbecue party, night fishing, live photography, and many other outdoor activities. The power supply of this camping light is convenient. You can connect this camping light to a car battery using battery clips, and it will work as long as the battery is on. Or you can buy a portable battery. The DC cable length is about 5 meters, suitable for overcoming distance restrictions. As I mentioned earlier, this camping light comes with a tripod. This tripod is about 1.5 meters, and it can stand firmly on the ground. This tripod is an adjustable, foldable, and portable 3-legged stand. You can easily take it with you anywhere. Guys, let's install the camping light. Are you ready? This camping light is easy to install and easy to use. You should avoid using this camping light in water or wet conditions. You should also avoid submerging this camping light in water. The input power of this camping light is 120 watts, and the input voltage is 12 volts. The operating life of this camping light is more than 30,000 hours. That is very good. You will need to connect the red battery clip to the positive pole, and the black battery clip to the negative one. I find this camping light from Toby's very helpful, as you can use it for many outdoor activities, like camping, picnic, etc. Please like, comment, and subscribe.